recording. You're not asking me why I am recording this.
We're recording this for popcorn. It doesn't look like it's popping yet.
Just zooming in.
Zooming too much, you'll ruin
And
quality.
I can make awesome popcorn.
You stop that. Smells good. I think it's kind of popping.
It is. It's expanding slowly.
I can hear it now. What if it just exploded?
It got stuck.
That is not good, I think, actually.
No, it's not.
Should we stop it and just pull it out and then keep continuing it? It's going to explode! Look!
When the popping stops, you know it's done. But it can't expand once it's popped.
You stop it when it's popped. I love
It smells horrible.
I think that's means burning then. You don't want to eat this system?
Yeah, we need cookie.
You could eat cookie and chips at the same time, you know that, right? Why didn't you bring a bag in, Peter?
I'm not used to bringing them in here, okay? SMT7 bags have not been allowed in these classrooms.
Ooh, that's an excellent one.
It's only when you're cooking because it'll get in the way.
Look what I got from Mr. Bluesdale.
That kid was stealing
Yeah,
the bag.
I think it's done.
You think it's done yet, Peter?
We've got 10 more seconds. See, it's not done yet.